Imagine a society in which air travel is not just quick but also revolutionary. A futuristic airplane that blends state-of-the-art technology with environmental awareness is the future generation of aviation. This airplane, which was constructed using cutting-edge materials and an unconventional aerodynamic design, marks the beginning of a new age in aviation. Take a look at the wings, which were designed with speed and accuracy in mind. Each surface's streamlined shape is intended to cut through the air as efficiently as possible, enabling smoother, faster flights with less fuel usage. Enter and discover the comfort of the future. The cabin is full of high-tech features, clever and roomy. A unique travel experience is produced with individualized controls, intelligent seats, and adaptive lighting. It's not only about traveling from one location to another when this amazing aircraft takes to the skies, redefining how we fly with speed, agility, and, above all, sustainability is the goal. This is a look into the future, not just a trip. Examine the internal mechanisms in further detail. Modern materials and innovative design have been used to optimize each component for optimal performance. This airplane is designed to meet the demands of the future, from the engines to the fuselage. The engine, a miracle of environmentally benign technology, is at the center of the revolution. This engine makes sure that air travel is environmentally friendly in the future by lowering emissions and conserving resources through the use of cutting-edge propulsion technology and sustainable materials. Inside, luxury and technology coexist. The experience of flying is not like any other. A smooth fusion of comfort and functionality is offered by roomy seats, simple controls, and a cabin that can be tailored to meet all of your needs. You're seeing the force of innovation as the plane flies over the clouds. Being faster isn't enough. You also need to be more intelligent, silent, and environmentally conscious than ever. Engineers, scientists, and designers are the creative force behind every revolution, putting in many hours to make this airplane a reality. Their goal is to create a more accessible, sustainable, and efficient air travel industry. The distinctions between this aircraft and conventional models are evident. Faster, greener, and more efficient. This is the future of air travel because to its lightweight design and state-of-the-art propulsion technology. Thank you for watching, and please hit subscribe for more exclusive insights into the technologies influencing our future.